In music production, every sound has a different fluctuation in volume. Within a sound, some parts are particularly louder and some are quieter. As a music producer, you need to find a good balance between all the instruments in your track. The solution to fix this problem is to use compression. A compressor squashes the volume of your instruments so that they fit perfectly in your mix. This will make your song sound better to your listeners. But how does it work? As you know, every sound has a different waveform. The range between the quietest and the loudest part of a sound is called the dynamic range. With compression, you can reduce the dynamic range by making the peaks of a sound quieter. Every compressor has a few basic parameters you should know. The first one is the threshold. The threshold sets a limit. Everything that passes this limit will be compressed by a certain amount. This amount is called the ratio, which is the second parameter. In this example, we set the ratio to 2 to 1. Now every signal that exceeds the threshold by 2 dB will be compressed down to 1 dB. Or, if the threshold should be exceeded by 8 dB, for example, the setting 2 to 1 would ensure that a total of 4 dB would be compressed. Depending on which setting you choose here, logically less or more dBs will be compressed. After that, you can then set the attack and release. The attack determines how long it takes for your compressor to reach the whole level of compression. Release is the opposite. It sets the time your signal needs to go back to its original state. After setting all these parameters, your sound should already sound better. But there is another thing to know. In some cases, compression can make your sound quieter. That's why you need the last parameter called gain. Using gain will increase the volume of your compressed sound until it fits perfectly in your mix. Please note that compression does not always make sense. If you use it wrong, it can also make your sound worse. For example, compression can destroy the highlights of a vocal. Tell us in the comments if you want more videos like this, and if this video was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be sure not to miss any future content. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.